Do you use Jira Service Management, but wish the customer experience of raising a support ticket was better? Well, your wish just came true. Amoeboids brings you Typeform integration for Jira Service Management. Bring together the delightful user experience of Typeform with the super flexibility of JSM. Ensure your customers experience a support ticket creation process that's more engaging and efficient. How? Create interactive and aesthetically appealing forms with the use of different themes, video, and image embeds. You can even personalize the forms by utilizing hidden fields such as name, email address, location, and more. And with the use of logical branching in Typeform, you can ensure only relevant information is requested from the end users. More importantly, you can get these forms to your end users in different variations, rather than making them visit your JSM customer portal. Improve customer experience and reduce the load on your support team with Typeform integration for Jira Service Management. Start your free trial today.